In this video, we're gonna learn T-function. By this function, we can find out if a string is text or not. The formula is pretty simple. Only value we have to enter into the function. The value is the string that we wanna test it, if it's a text or not. When we use this function, if the string is a text string, the function returns that string. But if it's a number or something, anything except a text function, it returns an empty cell. Okay, let's try first one. T, F3, and done. Because it's a text string and the function returns exactly that string for us. Next one is a number, 1992. Let's try this one. F4, and we have nothing here. The formula is here, but we cannot see it, and cell seems empty because it's a number, not a text. Next one is a logical value, false. It looks a text string, but actually it's a logical value. Let's try it. F5, and we have nothing here because it's not a text. Next, F6, it is a text. Next one, F7, it is a text. And in the last situation, we have text and numbers combined in a single cell. What will happen if we put it into the T function? Let's try. F8, and you see we have both text and number at the result. So if you use T function in a string that combined with text and other values, we will have all the values in the result.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website diako.co.uk.